guys, welcome to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas episode 12. Let's take a quick look at before and after photos and then we'll show you what material we use for this glass shower and bathroom remodel. We'll start with the floor. Installed was a 12-inch by 12-inch porcelain. Staggered this at a diagonal layout. Now this porcelain is supposed to resemble Carrera marble. The only difference is it's much more durable, being that it's porcelain. So the floor turned out good at a nice diagonal layout. Let's take a look at the vanity here. Got a vanity top all-in-one kit. Very large corian top here. Installed brushed nickel fixtures. All of the fixtures in this shower are by Kohler. We've got a nice 4-inch backsplash here. Installed a really neat mirror. As you can see, it's got a really cool backlight. We wired it to the switch. Gives it a little extra light on the vanity top. Let's take a look at the shower here. We installed a new tub. Installed for the field wall tile was a 4x8 glass. Now this tile was very thin, about 1/8 of an inch thick. As you can see, we didn't use any trim. Installed it flush, grouted the sides. Again, the pattern is a 50% offset subway brick pattern. Installed a full 12-inch mosaic stripe. The mosaic turned out great. This is stone and glass, extremely flat. We ran that stripe all the way through the niche. As you can see, we didn't use trim here either. Got nice, clean wraparound on both sides of the niche. We've got the factory edge here of the glass for the shelf, proper slope. The niche turned out great. That's a 12-inch by 20-inch niche. Wrap that mosaic stripe all the way around. Got some Kohler grab bar as well as some Kohler hardware, towel rack, toilet paper dispenser. We've got a curved shower curtain, double rail. The curtain goes here. The second rail here is to hang towels. And there you have it. Bath and Shower Tile Ideas episode 12. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.